Hi and welcome to the Blanket Installation Guide. In this video, we'll show you how to install Blanket, a software system that blanks a computer screen, only while a vehicle is in motion. Before we begin, let's go over the software and hardware requirements. To install Blanket, you'll need a Windows operating system, either Windows 7, Windows 8, or Windows 10, and .NET Framework 4.7.2 or greater. For hardware requirements, you'll need a USB port for the motion sensor or a GPS device that's compatible with the Windows sensor and location platform or outputs NMEA sentences over a serial port or UDP or an OBD2 device that uses ELM 327 and is compatible with Windows. Once you have everything you need, log into the Blanket portal and navigate to the Releases tab. Download the desired software version, which should be version 5.0 or greater. Run the installer, accept the End User License Agreement, and click the Install button. If you see a User Account Control Elevation dialog, click Yes to authorize Blanket to install software on your PC. Once the installation is complete, click the Finish button. If you're using the motion sensor, you can either plug it directly into a spare USB port of the in-vehicle PC, or you can mount it in a stable and secure location in your vehicle and connect it using a USB extension cable. If you're using GPS, mount the external antenna, if one exists, in a location where it can receive GPS signals without interference and connect the GPS device to the PC. If you're using OBD2, connect your OBD2 Bluetooth-enabled sensor to the vehicle's port, and then connect the OBD2 Bluetooth sensor to the PC, as described in the device's instruction manual. Please see the separate knowledge base article for use of ODB2. Finally, once the Blanket software is installed, you'll need to activate the software license and configure the software. Please refer to the licensing and configuration sections of this knowledge base for further instructions. And that's it. You've successfully installed Blanket on your PC. Thanks for watching and drive safely.